Good morning to all. Now we are going to discuss about this difference between these two functions. One function is called help of, another one is dir of. Two functions. We want to know what's the use of these two functions and what is the difference between them. Both the function which used to display what are the content in our Python program. We know that the Python program is all called as what a module. The module, that is a Python program, can have a variables inside, and then we can perform some calculation, and we can use some user defined function called it def. We can import some other function, like whatever the matter inside the program, inside the Python module, will be displayed with the help of the function help of and dir of. Now see here, what is the difference? See here, the triple quoted string. What is mean by triple quoted string? We know the string constant which is enclosed in a single quotes or double quotes or triple quotes, where the triple quotes can be a multi-line string. Here this the triple quote called a document string if it is used separately in our Python module. This help function which display along with this document string, but the dir function will display only the content names alone. Let's have an example in our book. See, in our book, we have one module, one Python program called tempconversion.py. So, this the program, the hash is called command line. Again, next to the command line, we have one triple quoted string. Okay, so the triple quoted string doesn't have any value, doesn't have a meaning of this print of, or it is not assigned to any value like that. Simply a string we are using there. Okay, so it also act as a command like in a program which is not get executed because it is not a part of any of the executable statement. Okay, then we have a two user defined function there, def2 centigrade of. This the function is going to receive one argument and will return after performing this calculation the value to the called place. Again we have another function def2 Fahrenheit of, which also receiving one value, an argument, then it is going to be calculated with that the value and it will be returned to the called place. Now here we have two values called freezing centigrade, freezing Fahrenheit, which are the values are assigned with these two constants. Okay, so in this program having some of the command lines also. See, this 2 centigrade user defined function also having one triple quoted string. The 2 Fahrenheit of function also having triple quoted string. So 1, 2, 3, 3. What we are having? The document strings, triple quoted string we are having. Okay, now see, we are going to use this function, this temp conversion, this module file with the help of a help of function and a dir function. Let's see what is going to be the result of this functions. See here, we are importing that the program tempconversion.py as import temp conversion. Yes, now we are giving a command help of, within the bracket the name of the module temp conversion, what we imported there. Now what it is going to display, the help on module conversion are first name of the file is what a temp conversion. Okay, so the conversion between, see here we have a document string, no conversion of function from Fahrenheit and centigrade. So here it shows the name of the file having conversion of function between Fahrenheit and centigrade. Then where the file is actually stored, it is stored in C: Python 37 Python worker, then temp conversion program is stored there. So the path where the program actually stored in our computer. Then what are the user defined functions are used there? 2 centigrade of and 2 Fahrenheit of. These two functions are having what the triple quoted string. So that the triple quoted string is displaying here. Okay, this function is going to return the value of x also, returning the value of x. Then what are the data we used there? Freezing centigrade 0.0, freezing to Fahrenheit is 32 points. So these are the data are there. So we can have all the content what and all there in that program. Now see the dir function. Okay, the dir function which is applied to this module, which give you name of all the defined. It's not going to display the triple quoted string, that is a document string. Now see, if we are going to use the dir, we are going to give import temp conversion, the name of a module, that Python program. Now we are giving the command dir of temp conversion. What it is giving the result as freezing to centigrade. we have that variable now the equal to 0.0, like freezing to Fahrenheit, that is another variable equal to 32 we have now. So that those two variables, and then some built-ins, what are the built-in can be used there, that can be, then document, it is a document string having, then this is a one file, then name of the file, then package, then what are the two user defined function we had there, 2 centigrade of and 2 Fahrenheit of. So what and all we discussed here in detail, that is with the help of the document strings, that and all giving only by means of a name. So that is a difference between the help of command as well as the dir of command. I hope that you able to understand this one. Thank you.